Okay, class, today we're going to be taking notes on page 217.
I hate this class so much.
What was that?
Nothing, sir.
Now, as I was saying, everybody please turn to page 217. You'll be taking notes on the layers of the earth. Sadly, I will not be here to watch you because I will be going to a meeting.
Really?
Oh, is that so exciting you can't raise your hand?
No, sir.
I'll be back tomorrow.
Hello, class. I am your teacher, Featherfluff, and today we will be learning about the layers of the earth.
Ugh, sounds not even cool.
You know, the layers of the earth are a lot cooler when you don't just take notes on them.
Wait, you're saying we're not taking notes?
Well, you could, but instead of sitting in the classroom all day, we'll be taking a field trip!
A field trip?
Really? No way!
Yes, a field trip through the layers of the earth.
That's impossible. You can't just go through the earth. It's true.
Well, we are, so come on. The atmosphere is Earth's shield from deadly UV rays. Sadly, this is still school, so I have to give you the facts, so pay attention. The atmosphere has many layers, each layer getting thinner as it reaches out into space. The temperature of the atmosphere at sea level, because we do not live in the sky, the temperature is around 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Our atmosphere is also made out of different types of gases. Our atmosphere is mostly made out of nitrogen and oxygen.
Can we please stay up in the sky a bit longer, please?
I'm sorry, but we only have 1 hour for this class, and I think you'd like to see the rest of the lesson.
Yes, we would.
Okay then, down to the crust. I bet you guys think you know a lot about the crust, and maybe you do. But I think at least one of you will learn something new about their home. The crust is a cold, solid rock mainly staying around the temperature of 71.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The crust density is around 2.2 through 2.9 geometric centimeters cubed. The crust is mostly made of silicon rocks. The crust is also thicker in some places and thinner in other. Like under the sea, the crust is only 5 to 3 miles thick, but under a continent, it could be as much as 25 miles thick.
That is really thin.
Yep, the crust is the thinnest layer.
The next layer is the mantle, if I'm correct. We can't go there. We'll just burn up.
Do not worry. There's a shield around the classroom that will protect us from even the hottest heat. This is the mantle. The mantle is the thickest layer, and just like our atmosphere has layers, the mantle has two main layers, the upper mantle and the lower mantle. Within these two layers, there's even more layers. Inside the smaller upper mantle, there's the lithosphere and the asthenosphere. The lithosphere is a layer that the crust sits on and moves all the tectonic plates. Some of the mantle's layers are solid, some are liquid, and some are in between. The mantle is made up of all sorts of molten and solid hot rocks, including peridotite, electrite, garnet, and lots of other rocks and minerals. The range temperature of the mantle is between 1,400 degrees Celsius and 3,000 degrees Celsius.
Did you just use Celsius instead of Fahrenheit?
Yes, I did, because I am the teacher. Now it is time to move on to the next layer, the outer core. This is the outer core. The outer core is a hot, molten layer surrounding the inner core. The outer core is super hot, that even though it is made of metal, it is completely liquid. I say super hot, but I mean 4,000 degrees Celsius to 6,000 degrees Celsius. Now I said it was made of metal. To be more specific, the metals that our outer core is made of is iron and nickel. The outer core's density is about 9.9 through 12.2 geometric centimeters cubed. So the outer core is basically like a super hot metal hot tub that is going to kill you. So don't go into hot tubs.
Can I go swimming in the big outer core hot tub?
No!
Okay.
Okay, class is almost over. Good thing we're about to visit our final layer, the inner core. This is the inner core. Our final layer. The inner core is so hot, it is as hot as the very surface of our sun. The inner core is also made of metal, but the inner core is solid, not liquid, and much hotter than the outer core.
But how is that possible if it's hotter than the outer core, which is liquid?
Good question. It is because the pressure is so great that it is keeping the super hot metal from turning into a liquid. Now I say super hot, surface of the sun hot, but it is 5,700 degrees Celsius is how hot it is. Also, to add to all the craziest down here, the density of the inner core is 12.8 through 13.1 grams per cubic centimeter. Oh, look at the time. We must be heading back up.
Do we have to?
Sorry, but we do. Hold on. Hope to see you again sometime.
Bye. Hope you'll sub again.
Peace.